create a new file, name it validate password. Let's begin by creating a variable for user input. You can call it user input and initialize it with an empty value. Then we have another variable with the correct password. It can be any value, it can be 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we can create our while loop. You can say while user input is not equal to correct password. What we can do, we can say user input is equals to input, then you can say enter your password. Then after that getting the user input, you can add an else statement. Else you can say print your password is correct. Welcome to your dashboard. So what the code does, it begins by initiating a user input variable and a correct password variable. The correct password can be a hard-coded string, or you can fetch it from a database or a flight file. Then the while loop displays an input. We get an input from the user until the user provides a correct password. So let's run this and see. So as you can see, it displays enter your password. If we enter 1, it will still display enter your password. Enter 2, enter your password. But if we enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 is correct, so it will print the password is correct. Welcome to your dashboard. But here we can also add an if statement to tell the user that their password is wrong. You can say if user input is not equal to correct password, what we can say is we can print your password is invalid. Let's save that and see. So this is our code. Get user input. If it is invalid, the code prints your password is invalid. But if it is correct, it will print your password is correct. Welcome to our dashboard. So let's run the code again and see. So enter your password. If I enter 2, it will display your password is invalid. I display T. Enter T, your password is invalid. Oh, password is invalid. 0, password is invalid. But 1, 2, 3, 4, you get your password is correct, welcome to your dashboard. So here, as I said earlier, this variable can get a correct password from a database like MySQL or Mongo, or even a file. Then we'll use this operator, not equal, to compare user input and the correct password from our database or a flat file. So if it is not correct, the program will display the message, enter your password, and you will be able to type your input. If the input is incorrect, it will display your password is invalid. Else, it will print your password is correct, and welcome to your dashboard. In a real program, you can either launch an UE or do other stuff. Remember, your password might need some validation here. Let's say you can, if it is a hashed password, you need to do the hash and other complex stuff before using it.